Ladies, let's talk. Have you been trying to get pregnant and it feels like your body is not ready? Or maybe you are planning for a baby soon and want to give your womb the best start possible? If so, this video is for you. I'm Lydia Fadele, a drug discovery expert and herbal medicine specialist. I've spent years helping men and women on their fertility journey using science-backed natural remedies. If you are ready to supercharge your womb, increase your fertility, and prepare your body for pregnancy naturally, then stay with me. Tip number 5 will blow your mind. And trust me, many women who follow these tips saw big changes in just a few weeks. In today's video, I will show you 5 proven ways to prepare your body for pregnancy naturally. Whether you've been trying for months or even years, or you are just getting started, these tips will help you create the perfect environment for conception. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Tip number 1, nourish your womb with the right food. Your womb is like a garden. If you want it to grow life, you need to feed it properly. Eat more of dark leafy greens. They are rich in iron and folate for a healthy uterus, and you can get them from avocados and nuts. They also contain healthy fats for hormone balance. Eat omega-3 rich food like fatty fishes or flax seeds. They can help to boost your egg quality. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar because they can cause hormonal imbalances. One of my favorite fertility booster is this smoothie. Should I share the recipe with you? Let me know in the comments. Number 2, detox your womb from harmful toxins. Toxins from food, pollution, and even birth control can build up in your body, making conception harder. Now, how do you detox your womb? Drink warm lemon water every morning to flush out toxins. Try warm steaming with herbs like mugwort and basil. They are very helpful. Then increase your fiber intake. Fiber can be gotten from chia seed and flax seeds. They help to remove excess hormones. A gentle detox resets your reproductive system and get your womb baby ready. Number 3, balance your hormones naturally. If your hormones are out of balance, your womb is confused. Balance is the key. How can you balance your hormones naturally? Eat adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and maca root. They are very good. You can do seed cycling like flax seed and pumpkin seeds. They are useful for regulating estrogen. Sesame and sunflower, they are useful for regulating progesterone. Reduce stress. Poor sleep and anxiety can throw your hormones off balance. If you are always tired, moody, or have irregular periods, your hormones are already screaming for help. Number 4, improve blood flow to your uterus. Your womb needs good circulation to be healthy. If blood flow is weak, implantation can be harder. How do you improve your blood flow? Move your body daily, like do yoga, walking, or fertility massage. Drink enough water, at least 2 to 3 liters daily. Eat warming foods like ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric. You can do just 5 minutes of womb massage daily and make your womb the perfect home for a baby. Number 5, reduce stress and cultivate a fertile mindset. Ladies, stress is a silent fertility killer. When you are constantly anxious, your body stays in flight or fight mode, shutting down fertility. How do you reduce stress and boost fertility? Daily meditation or deep breathing can help. Also, surround yourself with positive energy. When your mind and body align, your fertility flourishes. Now that you have these 5 powerful womb strengthening tips, I want to hear from you. Which one are you starting now? Drop a comment below. Also, I have a special fertility tea blend that has helped many women in our community. If you want me to share the tips and the recipe, let me know in the comments. If you are actively trying to get pregnant and want personalized fertility support, join our free WhatsApp fertility support group. The number is in the caption. You don't have to do this alone. Let's go on the journey together. Ladies, preparing your womb is just step 1. Next, we need to talk about implantation. If your uterine lining is too thin, it doesn't matter how healthy your eggs are, conception won't stick. In the next video, I will reveal exactly how to create the perfect environment for implantation. It's going to be life-changing, so subscribe now and turn on your notification. Thank you for watching. Stay hopeful, stay strong, and I will see you in the next video.